I am so excited to get started with this journey for your aligners with you. Your aligners are going to be worn at least 20 to 22 hours. You are not to drink anything except for water or eat any food while they are in your mouth. And you're going to keep them clean by brushing them at least 2, I would prefer 3 times a day. If you're at school or at work and you eat something and you go to put your aligner back in and you don't have time to brush, just at least rinse out with water before you put it back in. We don't want to get any sugar or acid from drinks caught underneath the aligner because that can affect your enamel negatively. If a liner is lost, it's preferred that you move on to the next one. If it fits pretty tight, then use Chewies in order to help optimize that fit. If you don't feel like you can get the next one in, then go back an aligner and give us a call and we can order you a new one. If no aligners are left, just go back to the one previous. You're going to use Aligner Bright, which is the whitening gel, about 2 times a week for about 30 minutes as needed for staining of the attachments. And if your teeth get sensitive, which sometimes they will, discontinue use of that, and you can put some toothpaste in your aligner right here. Just put a little bit of toothpaste in your aligner and leave it in all night, and that will help with the sensitivity. You're going to use Chewies about 5 minutes a day for the first 2 days of each new aligner in order to get them to fit like a glove. If they do not fit like a glove, I do not want you moving on to the next one, and I'd like you to text us or call us, and you can even text us a picture of the fit in order to see what your next step is. We also gave you a nail file in your SOS kit. You can smooth sharp edges so that you don't have an emergency there. Also, the bumps on your teeth are called attachments. If they are missing, give us a call and we can tell you whether or not you need to come back in order to get that replaced. It's not an emergency where you need to call us on the weekend in order to do that. Just continue using your aligners and let us know on a Monday. You always want to keep your aligners away from pets and in your retainer case because your pets will eat them. Like I said, if your aligners are not fitting, just text us a picture and send them into the office and we can help troubleshoot you with that. All right, in order to manage your trays, this is very important. There are numbers on the aligners, but they're very difficult to read. Please keep the number of tray that you have and the number of bag that is appropriate for it. Keep it organized. Save your old aligners, keep them in your box, and that will help us stay really organized and help us troubleshoot if anything goes wrong. Bring all of your boxes in your Neal Smells bag to each appointment. The other thing that is going to help us be successful in your aligner treatment is not only wearing your aligners 20 hours a day, but if I ask you to wear elastics, you need to continue wearing your elastics whenever they are described to you, whether that is full-time or nighttime. Discomfort, a little bit of discomfort is normal when you first put your aligners in. You can take Tylenol and know that it's only temporary. It's much easier than braces treatment, and you will get very used to your teeth being a little tiny bit sore. I look forward to this journey, and I can't wait to see your new beautiful smile.